Now, Character Development 101. I've gone more deeply into character development in my infographic videos, but I want to just give you a little bit of a help. If you get stuck, there are 4 tricks I use for characters. Write a little story that won't be in the manuscript centered around the character you're working on. Even if they're not a main character in this story, writing this story purely to get to know the character. Figure out the character's basic needs and desires, such as how they get and spend money, currency, how they kiss, go to the toilet, eat, drink, use drugs, prescription or recreational, illegal or tobacco or alcohol, or even salt, sugar, and fat. How they sleep, intimacy, love versus lust, kiss, have sex, reproduce, breathe, adapt to environments, even evolve in some cases, etc. Relationships with other characters. Try to understand your own relationships and your place in society and the makeup of your society and tribal belonging. And use that to inform the development of the character in their society, including where they originate, where they evolved as a person, and where they are now and where they're going. Sometimes I will try swapping characteristics around different characters in the beginning, like a character that was intended as a straight white male orc could be a trans white female toothbrush. Just throw a monkey in the works to shake things up a bit. You can always change it, just mix in a little chaos in the early days to make it less predictable.